INFP sensitivity is often described as both a gift and a burden. If you identify with the INFP personality type, you've probably noticed that you feel things more deeply than most people. A single tone in someone's voice can change your entire mood. A small conflict can linger in your mind for days. But here's the question that changes everything. What if this sensitivity is not the problem, but the raw material for your greatest strength? And yet, most people never learn how to work with it. Instead, they try to suppress it. But that suppression comes with a cost. Psychologist Dr. Elaine Aron, known for her pioneering research on the highly sensitive person (HSP) trait, found that about 15 to 20% of people have a nervous system that processes sensory and emotional information more deeply. While INFP is a personality type in the MBTI framework, many INFPs also overlap with the high sensitivity traits described in Aron's work, The Highly Sensitive Person, 1996. This means INFP sensitivity is not overreaction, it is depth of processing. But here's where it gets interesting. Depth can either lead to emotional overwhelm or to emotional intelligence. The difference is how you use it. One key factor is emotional interpretation. Humanistic psychologist Carl Rogers, founder of person-centered therapy, believed that emotional awareness becomes powerful only when it is accepted without judgment. He called this unconditional positive regard, meaning the ability to observe your internal world without immediately labeling it as good or bad. For INFPs, this is crucial, because sensitivity often comes with an inner voice that says, "I'm too much." Or worse, "Something is wrong with me." But here is the hidden truth. What feels like emotional overload is often unprocessed insight. The feeling is not the enemy. The lack of structure around it is. And that changes everything. Neuroscience and personality research within the Big Five model, particularly the trait neuroticism, emotional reactivity, also helps explain why INFPs experience strong emotional swings. High emotional reactivity does not mean instability, it means faster and deeper emotional signaling. In adaptive environments, this becomes an advantage: stronger empathy, better pattern recognition in relationships, and heightened creativity. But there is a catch. Without regulation, sensitivity turns inward as rumination. And that is where most INFPs get stuck. So how do you turn sensitivity into an advantage instead of a struggle? First, you externalize what you feel. INFPs often process internally, but research in expressive writing by psychologist Dr. James Pennebaker, University of Texas at Austin, shows that translating emotions into language reduces psychological stress and improves clarity. Writing, journaling, or even voice noting your thoughts transforms emotional intensity into structured understanding. Second, you separate feeling from identity. You are not an anxious person or a sensitive person. You are someone experiencing anxiety or sensitivity in a moment. This small cognitive shift reduces emotional fusion and creates psychological distance, which improves decision-making. But there's one more layer most people miss. Third, you redirect sensitivity toward meaning. INFPs are naturally drawn to values, purpose, and emotional authenticity. When sensitivity is tied to meaning, creative work, helping others, storytelling, or introspection, it becomes fuel rather than friction. Carl Jung described this as the process of individuation, turning inner conflict into psychological wholeness. And suddenly, sensitivity is no longer something to manage. It becomes something to use. In conclusion, INFP sensitivity is not a flaw to overcome, but a deep perceptual system that requires structure, awareness, and direction. Research from Elaine Aron, Carl Rogers, and modern personality psychology all point to the same idea: emotional depth becomes a strength when it is understood rather than resisted. When INFPs learn to observe their emotions, express them clearly, and align them with meaning, sensitivity transforms from emotional weight into psychological insight. And that is the real advantage most people never discover. If you struggle to choose yourself without guilt, this deep guide is waiting for you inside the Empaths and HSPs community. Access it through the description.